Welcome back to the KOA Morning News on Fox 14. Today in the studio, we have our very special guest and friend that we always love to see. It's Emily Frankowski with Connect to Culture. She is here. Welcome back.
Thank you.
You've got a list of things that are going on. So I'll tell you what, let's just cut right to the chase. What are some of the key things you've got going on right now?
Yeah, so we have just, 4 different ones that we've picked out, but on the Joplin Area Arts and Cultural Calendar, which is on our website, connecttoculture.org, there are so many. This is just a tiny, tiny bit. We've got performances, events, classes, and exhibits happening all the time throughout the Joplin area. If you're ever wondering what's happening in the Joplin area, in the arts, culture, entertainment sector, come to our website. We'll help you out. But the first thing that I put on our list today is the Back to School Bash. So everyone's going back to school. It could be a little bit of a, stressful time for some. But this is a way to get kids together who love music to listen to local bands. The Non-Permitted Project is putting it on. And they're a group of artists that, kind of take on taboo subjects and different things like that. They're a relatively new group, but there are a variety of different local bands that will be there. This is the second annual event too. Eye Creatures, The Odyssey, Blister Soul, Violets Are Blue, and Trent Gaddy. And I've only heard of one of these bands, so I'd be interested in seeing what other local bands are up to in Joplin.
It seems like, and maybe this is just because we have Connect to Culture to finally be able to bring this stuff to us. It seems like there's a lot more local bands than there used to be.
Yeah.
But it may also be they've always been there, but they've never really had a way to promote in a venue like this through C2C to get the word out there.
Yeah, we're all about providing more access to all of these sorts of things. So I love that you said that. So that's one option. And then for events, we've got a really great event coming up. And I don't just say that because it's a Connect to Culture event, but it's the 7th Annual Arts and Cultural Preview. And if you haven't come to this event before, which it's on Saturday, August 13th, and it's at 10 a.m. in the Joplin Public Library's community room. If you haven't been to this event, it is a great way to learn about all of the arts and culture that is out there and what organizations are putting it on. Basically, we invite all of the arts and cultural representatives to come and present about their organization for 2 minutes total. And they talk about what they're all about and then what the season that they have planned for. In this case, it's 2022 to 2023. So this is a really good opportunity to see, what does Joplin Little Theater got coming up? What does Spiva Center for the Arts got coming up? What does Connect to Culture have coming up? Or the Cornell Complex. But we have over 40 different organizations, I think, that have signed up. So it's a really wonderful opportunity. And what we do is we partner with MSSU's KGCS, the student-run TV station, and they tape it, record it, and then we produce a video that we put on YouTube. So if you miss it, you can always go back, look through the timestamps to a particular organization, and get the scoop on what they've got coming up.
Gotcha. And then you've also got an exhibit, Reflections of Joplin, coming up. What's that going to be about?
Yeah, so that's going on right now, and I actually went to it last weekend. But this is at Spiva Center for the Arts, and it's in the Regional Gallery and the Upstairs Gallery. And this exhibit was put together by Local Color in Joplin, which is in the Griffin Building downtown. And their artists organized this exhibit all celebrating Joplin's 150th birthday, or the sesquicentennial.
Sesquicentennial, yes.
That's a fun word to learn today.
It is, and it's a great word to be able to say, too.
It is, yes.
Go practice it at home.
Yeah, so Local Color artists, their artwork is in the Regional Gallery, and it depicts all types of Joplin history. So you'll see paintings of different people that are significant in Joplin's history, as well as landscapes and things about the mining days. You'll see pictures of Joplin's Union Depot. And then upstairs, in the Upstairs Gallery, you'll see, since Local Color, and we'll talk about one of their classes soon. They have all these classes for painting, and their professional artists teach new up-and-coming artists how to paint. And so in the Upstairs Gallery, you'll see the student artwork they had a class where Joplin's history was the inspiration. So you'll see all of that artwork shown upstairs.
That's got to be absolutely amazing to see.
It's really fun. And a lot of the artwork is for sale. I even purchased one from a high school student.
I've got to get up there and purchase some art.
Yes.
Because I love collecting some art, and having local art I think is even more important. And then you did mention that they've got the family fun painting classes as well.
Yes. So if you're, you should go take a look at that exhibit. And if you've ever wanted to learn how to paint from a professional artist, Local Color Art Gallery and Studio constantly has different classes. And this one is Family Fun Painting class for ages 8+. So this is, you could bring the whole family, and you can bring inspiration. If you want to paint something specifically, bring along a picture of it and they'll help you paint that. And if you have no idea, they've got plenty of different, inspiration at the gallery that they can help you choose from.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So I know we're pretty much out of time, but I did want to ask real quick, how exciting is it, to have the Cornell Complex, approaching on its opening time, to be able to have this formal center for all of these things to take place in?
Yes, we are looking so forward to welcoming the public to see the Cornell Complex. They're inside actually doing a lot of finishing work, a lot of cleaning. There's a lot of cleaning before we can get the keys, but it's going to be just wonderful to have that intentional space for the arts in Joplin. And just, since I even started working for Connect to Culture in 2013, the arts have just blossomed. There's so much more to do. And, thankfully we have Connect to Culture to let us know about everything that's going on. But, it's going to be the hub for the arts. Spiva Center for the Arts is going to be living in there. Connect to Culture. Pro Musica even has an office. And then other arts organizations, we want them to feel comfortable performing inside the Beashore Performance Hall or outside on the Leggett and Platt Green. But a lot of opportunities coming Joplin's way. And in November, that's when we're going to have our opening days.
All right, we're looking forward to it. So again, you can find all this information, connecttoculture.org. That's connecttoculture.org. And of course, you'll find it on our website, koamnewsnow.com. We'll be right back.